Bowl is one of my favorite dishes. It is always packed with vegetables and have a great flavor. And it's actually very easy to make. Today I'm gonna share one that is high in protein and only takes 20 minutes to prepare and cook. Let's take a look at the recipe right now. Hi, welcome to Healthy Palace. My name is Rina Li. I have gone plant-based diet for over a year, and I have gained a lot of health benefits through it. In this channel, I share quick tips on how to pursue a healthy lifestyle, focusing on plant-based diet and easy plant-based recipes. If you're interested in my content, please subscribe my channel. Before going to the cooking steps, let's take a look at all the ingredients you will need. The first is cooked brown rice and quinoa. Cook brown rice and quinoa with water with a proportion of 1 to 2.5. Once the rice is done, set on the side for later use. The second ingredient is sweet potatoes. I usually bake it with oven, and because I'm kind of lazy, I usually bake it during the weekend and store in the fridge and eat it during the week. The third ingredient you will need is avocado. Here's a shopping tip for avocado. Look for ones that are relatively firm because they are ripen very fast in room temperature. The fourth ingredient is pinto beans. Pinto beans you can make yourself if you have the time. I usually purchase the canned beans. The fifth ingredient, pre-cooked mushrooms. You can pre-cook mushrooms if possible. That will save some time for you. The sixth is the sauces you like. I use salt and pepper. I support organic. I try to use as much as organic ingredients in my dishes. I know it can be hard sometimes to resource organic products, so I include the link to the organic products I found on Amazon, and I include in the description below. Feel free to take a look. Okay, now let's dive into the details of cooking steps. Isn't it easy to follow? And let me know how you like it by leaving a comment. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel. Hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Stay healthy. I'll talk to you soon.